Welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we will be diving into module 2 of our project management series, that is resource allocation. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, managing resources efficiently is key to any project success. Let's get into that. Resources can be broadly categorized into three types. Those are human, financial, and physical. Human resources are the team members, subject matter experts, and stakeholders involved in the project. Financial resources is like a budget, funds, and any financial inputs needed for project execution. Physical resources are equipments, materials, and tools required to complete project tasks. Understanding these categories is the foundation for effective resource allocation. Strategies for effective resource allocation. Now we know the resource types. Let's look at the strategies to allocate them effectively. Here are some best practices. Prioritize high impact tasks. Allocate resources to tasks that are critical to project goals. Balance workloads. Avoid burnout by distributing tasks evenly among team members. Use resource leveling techniques. Ensure resources are not over-allocated and that task dependencies are respected. These strategies help in optimizing the use of available resources without compromising project timelines. Dealing with resource scarcity. One of the biggest challenges in project management is dealing with resource scarcity. Here is how you can tackle this situation. Prioritize critical resources. Focus on securing resources vital to project completion. Outsource or rent resources. Consider external vendors for tasks or materials you are short on. Optimize existing resources. Reagent tasks, renegotiable timelines, and explore alternatives. Effective communication and contingency planning are very crucial when resources are limited. Tools for resource management. Finally, let's discuss some of the tools that can simplify resource management. Project management software like example Trello, Asana, and etc. Tools for assigning tasks and tracking resources usage. Gantt charts and resource calendars. Visual tools for scheduling and managing resources. Resource management software like Smartsheet, Monday.com, and etc. Advanced tools for forecasting, allocating, and managing resources efficiently. The right tools help project managers stay organized and proactive. To wrap up, resource allocation is about making the best use of what is available. In this module, we have covered the basics of resource types, allocation strategies, dealing with scarcity, and the tools to make it all easier. Any questions? Please drop a comment. If you found this video is helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next module.